Hi everybody, quick one today. We're looking at LUV. The market has just opened and we see, despite the underlying market dropping a little bit on the back of weaker oil prices today in Asia, Europe and following through in the US, we are seeing a movement up in some of the airlines. LUV is one we're seeing, and you'll notice that it did actually break the pivot highs around the $43 level on Friday's trading. We're looking for a move over that close in the last hour to be interested in placing a trade on LUV. Let's just put a line in the sand. You can see how important that $43 mark is. If we move right across through to December and right through to January, you can see how that was supported there, resistance there. So there's the retest late Feb, bit of a retracement, and of course now we're moving higher than that. We're expecting an upwards move up to 44.50 in the first instance. We may see some resistance there, but that would be a nice little bought call trade to scalp some money off a market which still isn't convincing in terms of whether it's going to stay up or not, and much of that may be dependent on oil. But let's just have a look at our 3 time frames for completeness. So we see green buying volume across all 3 time frames, the daily, the 2-day and the weekly charts. We're seeing uptrend obviously in the daily, and we've had that retracement, so we're looking for a continuation of that uptrend. We've been an uptrend then the 2-day as well. There's the 2 bars of buying volume and the green heat map, and of course we're in congestion on the weekly chart. Still just moved into congestion today really, but that's consistent with the Hawkeye entry, and we'd be quite happy to enter a fairly low positioned bought call, probably $44, expiring next month or May, depending on your preference. And that's just one of the trades I'm considering for today. So before we go, if you'd like to see everything I'm considering and see the trades I'm really taking, why not take a trial to my Options Elite alert and trading service? That way you can see exactly how I find the best trades that can produce the largest returns whilst keeping the risk low. Just click on the link below and get started today. You'll be glad you did. See you soon.